Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a call in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials to access all the chat features and connect with your contacts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find a section labeled Direct Messages. This is where all your one-on-one conversations with colleagues, friends, or team members are organized, making it easy to find the person you want to reach. From the list of conversations in this section, click on the chat with the person you'd like to call. This will open up your full conversation history with them on the main part of your screen. You'll be able to see your previous messages and prepare to initiate the call. Now look at the top of the conversation window. You'll notice a video call icon positioned prominently in the header area. This icon is specifically designed for starting video calls directly from your chat, allowing you to switch from text to face-to-face communication instantly without needing to open a separate app or window. Go ahead and click on that video call icon to initiate the call. Once you click it, Google Chat will immediately start placing the call to your contact. The system will begin ringing on their end, notifying them that you're trying to reach them through video. At this point, you'll need to wait for the other person to answer the call. Depending on their availability and settings, this might take a few moments. You'll typically see a waiting screen or a ringing indicator while the call is connecting. The person on the other end will receive a notification and can choose to accept or decline your call request. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a video call in Google Chat, making it easy to connect with anyone in your contacts list directly from your conversation thread. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.